In this Packet Tracer lab, you need to configure static routes to enable IP connectivity between PCs on the left and servers on the right. You need to configure static routes using next hop IP addresses and do that without using default routes. So in other words, configure static routes using the correct subnet masks in this topology. The devices in this network have passwords configured of Cisco, so use that if prompted for a password. For verification, you need to ensure that PC1 and PC2 on the left can browse to cisco.com. Do that using the DNS name cisco.com. This server 172.16.1.2 is configured as a DNS server and is doing a name resolution for various domains including cisco.com. Now in the real world, a website such as cisco.com wouldn't be using an RFC 1918 address, but that's what we're going to do in this topology. This lab is not testing your knowledge of NAT or network address translation. You are simply configuring static routes to enable connectivity between devices in this network. So make sure that your PCs can access cisco.com using a web browser, and in addition, make sure that switch 1 on the left can ping the DNS server 172.16.1.2. At the moment, if I open up a console on PC1 and ping 172.16.1.2, notice we're told that the destination host is unreachable. This PC has been allocated an IP address via DHCP. This router is configured as a DHCP server and is allocating IP addresses to the PCs, but routing is not working properly. So can you complete this lab? Can you configure static routes to ensure that the network works properly? Download the attached Packet Tracer file and see if you can complete the lab yourself. Otherwise, watch the next video where I complete the lab.